In order to replace the battery for this remote, notice on the corner of the remote there is one spot right here. Just make sure the button portion of the remote stays at the bottom and the logo portion stays at the top. Now we'll be using a screwdriver like this. I will punch in the screwdriver in that spot and will tilt the screwdriver until the top cover completely pops out. There it is, the cover is taken out. Now here's the module portion. Just punch in the screwdriver here and then pull out the module. There it is, module is taken out. We'll keep the key portion aside. On the module itself, notice there's an arrow coming out right here. So what we have to do is we have to punch in the screwdriver right here and again tilt the screwdriver until the top cover of module pops out. There it is, it's coming out. We'll just keep going ahead. Once the cover is out, right there is our battery. Using the screwdriver, we will push the battery outwards. And right there is our battery taken out. Notice it is a CR2025 type battery. In my case, the battery is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new battery and you want to install it back, just make sure the plus sign which is right there stays at the front. Now we'll go ahead and punch it inside that module. Carefully slide in the battery in that spot. There it is. Just make sure it is completely sitting underneath all these 3 tabs. Also make sure it's not coming out from all over the edges and it seems like it's good. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this cover. Just make sure that this portion of the cover right here, it matches with the position of the black color cover right here. We'll go ahead and combine both of the pieces. Then we press both sides until they go completely in. There it is in from all over the edges. Now we'll punch in the module in the remote. Again, just make sure that this angle goes just like this. We'll punch in the module, making sure it completely sits in that position. Seems like module is in position. Now we'll position the other cover on top. Then press the top cover until it goes completely in. Make sure it is in from all over the edges and it seems like it is. With that, we are done with the replacement of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.